this is how you should install MicroMite using a PICKit 3 and tools that are available today. Right, set up the board and make sure you've got a 3.3 volt supply to it. Okay, then I need to connect up the PICKit and start up. That's the PK3 Programmer, and then come into the software. It doesn't matter which software it is. PK3 Programmer software tools. Change the programmer to MPLAB mode. It makes a noise, then it resets. Fine. It's been reverted to MPLAB mode. Good. Install MPLAB IPE. Here's the instructions. I'll send you the URL. There's the instructions. Install the software. Disconnect the USB cable from the PICKit 3. Hold down the button on the PICKit 3 and reattach the cable. Start IPE. Select your chip. I'm going to select PICKit 3 and then we're going to connect. There's the chip, PICKit 3, connect. It will then load the operating system into the PICKit 3. This is just putting the firmware into the PICKit 3. It's like an access point. It takes a few moments. There we go. It says it's found the chip. Operate. Browse for the HEX, the MicroMite HEX. I put it in, I've loaded it. Program. It will now program. And you can enjoy it. Takes a few moments. And there we go. It's complete. To revert your PICKit 3, shut down IPE, restart the software. It says it's in MP3 lab mode, tools, install PICKit operating system, select the PK3 operating system version 2.05.hex, open that, and it will put it back into regular mode for a Windows interface or whatever interface you want to use apart from MPLAB. There we go. Programming the HEX.